Yo fam, we are super excited to announce that our Photography for Creators course is now open. The card is open, the page is live. You can register right now.
All right, and let's get right into it. Over the last couple of days, we've shown you how our Photography with Purpose framework is honestly the best way to up your photo game and start creating images that you are truly, truly proud of.
Now, does this mean that you will achieve creator status overnight? Well, not necessarily. While we've included all of the best tips to help you get results as quickly as possible, none of this happens overnight and is not without effort. It is directly proportional to the amount of effort that you put into it.
Now, you are going to have to put in the work, but rather than the 11 years that Kyle and I put in together, you're going to be seeing results in a matter of weeks or months. The one thing that we can guarantee, though, is that this is the best information that we've ever put out there.
We're sharing every last secret and walking you step by step how to create photos that you are hyped on and that you are hyped to share with others. We honestly believe that this is the best source of information to help you master landscape, lifestyle, and adventure photography.
And it's 100% just fresh, grade A. And by that, I mean, it's not a bunch of abstract theory, not a bunch of weird, disjointed YouTube videos. We're actually giving you a full guide, like a full step-by-step process that you can take and follow and, just start slaying it out there.
A lot of people have been asking us to create a video tutorial series because even though we do these types of things in person, not everybody can be where we are and we can't be where you are.
This has been a long time coming. Both Kyle and I have been just getting floods of DMs and emails throughout the last couple of years and months, asking for something like this, something that we can make available to them wherever they are, and they don't have to come and do an in-person workshop with us out on the West Coast. So we did finally cave under the pressure, and here we are.
Here we are indeed. So that is why we have created this course for you guys to follow along with us and learn how to create the types of work that we create and help you create similar as well.
In Module 1, we're going to build upon the framework and the mindset on which everything else is based upon. This is really important because it's going to allow you to approach every scenario that you find yourself in the future.
Next, we'll be taking you out in the field with us. This is one area that really helps separate this course from a lot of the other ones because rather than just sitting behind a desk and showing you how to edit things and think about things abstractly, we really want to take you along with us and show you all parts of the process as if you were live in the field in a one-on-one workshop scenario with us.
This is something that we get a lot of requests for, so we're really happy to be able to include it in the course for you all. We'll help you analyze the scene, uncover unique compositions, and utilize your gear and settings to maximize creativity.
From there, we are diving deep into computer to help you master both Lightroom and Photoshop and utilize these tools to create beautiful works of landscape, lifestyle, and adventure photography.
And we're holding nothing back in this one either.
You'll learn about everything from creating complex selections to color theory to creating multi-photo composites all in Photoshop. You will really dive deep on everything.
All while making sure you understand why you're doing everything instead of just how to do it.
And from here, we're putting it all together to help you shoot with the edit in mind, to recover any mistakes you might have made in the field, and to unlock that creator status. You'll be able to build and inspire a loyal and dedicated audience who is just stoked to see what you create next.
And just to really drive home how the Photography for Creators course is different, we're really anchoring in on the why aspect.
This isn't just some cookie cutter course where you're copy and pasting something else as somebody has done it.
And what better way to do that than to follow us along on the entire photography process.
From deciding where to shoot based on weather conditions and tracking these types of things, to planning out your shot, going through all of the different gear and settings that we're using for a particular composition, finding those unique compositions, and then bringing that all back into the editing room to determine how we want to process it and really use all of these tools that we have at our disposal with purpose to create some emotion-evoking images.
To make matters even more epic, we're actually giving away 4 bonuses for free worth over $2,800.
Wait. So you're saying we're giving away all the bonus stuff for free?
Yes.
So if they sign up, they also get lifetime access to the private Facebook group where you not only get to meet and chat with all of us, but you also get to meet and chat with everybody else who's taking the course?
Correct.
That's free.
Free.
And they also get access to both of us in a monthly Q&A call?
That is correct.
And okay, wait. So the Lightroom presets, the fact that like they get access to all of the Lightroom presets we've ever made, even the ones that we haven't released yet?
Free 99.
You're giving away those for free too? Okay, wait. But the other course that we were making, the supercharging your social media course? That one was so we have this Supercharging Your Social Media course where we help you just everything we know about social media, growing your audience, building a unique and genuine and loyal audience. We were supposed to make that as a separate course. You're going to say they get access to this one too?
Yeah, I think we should give it away in this one.
Andrew's going to cause us to go bankrupt right now. But apparently we're giving away all of those things in addition to the Photography for Creators course. So I don't understand how he convinced me to do this, but apparently that's happening also.
Yeah, I don't know what else to say, but you get a bonus. You get a bonus.
Okay, I guess that's happening.
Honestly, the bonuses alone really do have the opportunity to transform your photography, but let's also not forget about our Photography with Purpose framework that really is the best way to get that holistic approach and elevate your photography game to that next level.
If you want to up your photo game, create photos that inspire, and create a loyal and dedicated audience, really all you have to do is sign up for our Photography for Creators course.
To join, you just need a one-time payment of $349.
And don't worry if you don't have all of that money saved up right now, because we also have a payment plan where you can break it up into 6 monthly payments of $67.
But honestly, this course won't cost you anything. We like to look at this as an investment into your passion, and you can even utilize these skills to start making money with photography.
And that is honestly priceless.
All you have to do is click the button under this video to sign up for the Photography for Creators course. You can pay by credit card or by PayPal. So if you do feel that this course is for you, you can be signed up immediately for not only the course itself, but the $2,800 in bonuses that we've designed just for you.
As soon as you've signed up, you'll get instant access to our members area where you can create your username and password. You'll also get an email with all the details and links to sign up for our private Facebook group where you can then start connecting with other creators who are taking the course with you as well.
And honestly, that is where all the fun starts. You'll be able to chat with all the other folks who are in there as well, start networking and learning alongside everybody.
You'll get over 20 hours of video trainings available to you 24/7 from our members area. And have no fear, because everything is going to be broken down into bite-sized pieces, so you're never going to feel overwhelmed.
Now, we know that there has been a ton of interest on this video, which is why the next couple of steps here are super important, because time is certainly a factor.
Private and small group workshops really are our bread and butter, and we want to give that experience that we've gotten such good feedback on to all of our students here with this Photography for Creators course. And because of that, as much as we'd like to help everybody out, we want to keep things small so that we're able to help you out with your photography every step of the way.
The course is going to start soon, and as soon as the countdown timer hits 0, we will close the course and you will no longer be able to sign up. It is also very likely that the course sells out ahead of time, so definitely don't wait till the last minute.
As of now, there are a few thousand people who are on our early bird waitlist, and then we also have another 720,000 across all of our social who've been asking for this for the last several months.
So if you truly want to build your photography skill set, you have to act as soon as possible, otherwise somebody else will be snatching up your spot.
And just a quick reminder that spots are going to be granted on a first come, first served basis. So if you think that this is right for you, go ahead and click the button down below, and we will see you there.
Guys, we are super, super stoked to see a bunch of you there. Peace.
Can't wait.